Hi, I'm Leo. Today we're gonna talk about afternoon naps in China. I know, if you're from the US or Europe, this can feel quite shocking. Adults are sleeping at work? Did everyone just give up at the same time? But trust me, it actually happens every day in China. To prove I'm not making it up, let's check this out. This video is from a store camera in China. It's early afternoon, a small convenience shop. The owner is taking an afternoon nap in a folding chair behind the counter. A lady walks in to buy snacks. The owner didn't wake up. She tries to find the prices herself because she wants them to keep sleeping. But she fails. So finally, she taps the counter, wakes him up, pays. And he goes right back to sleep. Yeah, this perfectly explains how sacred afternoon naps are to Chinese people. It matters more than business. So, how do people actually nap? Well, it depends on where you are. In schools, students sleep at their desks. Just like this, they put their head down on the desk. Sometimes they use a folded jacket as a pillow. If you wake up with math printed on your face, that's absolutely normal. Nowadays, some schools have the folding chair that can become a small bed for pupils to have a more comfortable nap. To be honest, I'm a bit jealous. Why didn't we have such great tools when I was in school? But anyways, the afternoon nap is a long tradition. I remember we had a fixed nap schedule every day. It's usually about 30 minutes to an hour. And now you might ask, okay, Leo, that's for kids. What about adults? I know, in many countries, adults do not nap. Toddlers nap, grandparents nap. You adults just drink coffee and pretend you're fine. But in China, adults also nap. Office naps are very common. Many offices allow a lunch break long enough for a rest. After eating, people might dim the lights. These office workers are pros. They keep nap kits under their desks. This includes a folding bed, a pillow, and a blanket. Some people are more prepared for their nap than for work itself. Then 40 minutes later, everyone wakes up and opens Excel like nothing happened. No one says, wow, you're sleeping on your job? Because everyone is, including your boss. So, why do they do it? The biggest reason is lunch. Chinese lunch is different because we take it seriously. I know, in many countries, lunch is quick and light. Maybe you eat a sandwich, a salad, maybe just a coffee. You eat in 10 minutes while checking emails. But in China, lunch is often hot and filling. We have options like rice and noodles, stir-fried meat and vegetables, and soup. Or just all of that in one meal. So after this big hot meal, your body sends blood to your stomach to help digest, which means your brain doesn't have enough blood to stay functioning. Your eyelids will start kissing each other, they don't want to split, they're very committed to the relationship. So why not respecting human nature and take a nap? Well, I know some people must be worried at this point. If I nap at my job, do I look lazy? In China, managing your energy is very necessary. It's just practical. And there's an old Chinese saying, sharpening your knife doesn't delay chopping wood. In Chinese, it's 磨刀不误砍柴工. If you spend a little time sharpening your knife, you cut faster later. You spend a little time on nap now, but you gain a better brain all afternoon. Here, the knife is your brain, and your desk is actually the sharpening station. But here's something important. Most companies are quite open. Either you nap or not, nobody judges you. Drink coffee or sleep on your desk. It's your choice. As long as you don't interrupt other people's nap. That would be a serious crime. Cool, that's the nap culture in China. Hope you find this video interesting. I'm Leo, see you next time. Bye for now.